All right, here's a nice question. Adding rational expressions, one of the toughest things that you can do. You're adding fractions, so you have to have a common denominator. They're not common currently, so you need to factor the denominators of each. Okay, so I'm going to leave my x squared minus 5 up there, and then I'm just going to go off to the side here and figure that out, and then I'll put it in factored form. All right, I got to get an 11 out of the game. So if I try 3x and a 2x, 21's probably 7 and 3, eh? So 7, 3, largest product has to be a negative. 6x squared minus 21 plus 6. That'd be minus 15. It's not that. Okay, let me try and factor it again. Again, you can do AC method, but I'm going to try 6x and x. And then I'm going to put a 3 here and a 7 there. The largest product has to be negative, so that'd be that. Okay, 6x squared minus 18x plus 7. Hey, that's minus 11. That's my ticket right there. That's the one. Okay, so I can write 6x plus 7, x minus 3 here, plus x plus 8 over. This one I can just take a common factor of 4 out, so it'd be x minus 3. Now let's figure out what our lowest common denominator is. And I always just write the first two down. So it has to be 6x plus 7 and an x minus 3. Then I check this one to see what I'm missing. I'm missing a 4, so I need to put a 4 in there. And x minus 3 I have already, so I don't need that. So this is my lowest common denominator. So I need to make each one of them so that they have that denominator. So I have x squared minus 5. Currently I have 6x plus 7 and an x minus 3. So I compare with my common denominator. I have this and this. I don't have that. So I need to put a 4 there. If I put a 4 on the bottom, I also have to put a 4 on the top. Okay, that one's feeling good. And then let me write down what I have. X plus 8 over 4 x minus 3. So that's what I have already, and I compare. It looks like I'm needing this. So I need to put a 6x plus 7 on this one, and a 6x plus 7 on this one. Okay, now the denominators are common. So if the denominators are common, I can just write one bracket. So 4, or one fraction. 6x plus 7, x minus 3. And then on the top here, I'll just write them all out, just to be consistent like I've done before. Plus x plus 8 times 6x plus 7. Beautiful. Now let's simplify the top stuff, or the numerator. So if I distribute the 4, I'll get 4x squared minus 20 plus, now this looks like a FOIL party, so it'll be a 6x squared plus 7x plus 48x, ouch, plus 56. Okay, all over 4 times 6x plus 7 times x minus 3. Collecting like terms up top, 4x squared, 6x squared, that'll be 10x squared. Those are done. X is 48 plus 7, I think, is 55. So it'd be 55x, done. 20 minus 20 and 56, I think, is 36. So plus 36. All over 4 times 6x plus 7 times x minus 3. Now the top one, I can't take a common factor out. And I don't know if you could factor that or not. I'm pretty confident that you can't factor that. Yeah. So, and just what's going through my mind here is, if I could factor it into something like that, and on the bottom, I have these factors. If any of the factors on the top were to match ones on the bottom, I could cancel them out. But I don't think it's possible to factor again. So I think I'm leaving the question right like that. All right. Okay. Hopefully that helps you with that one.